Hello, winners! Today, we proudly explain how OPO investors achieved 67% profit in 15 months with the Inox Leisure Limited stock. Inox Leisure Limited is India's largest multiplex chains company. We recommended buying the stock on 2nd July 2020 at 12:17 pm, and the suggested price was near or below rupees 235 and rupees 210. We had mentioned the target price between 294 to 350 Indian rupees. We have achieved all our targets successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 390 and 90 paise. We acquired it under our suggested time, 3:30 pm of 1st October 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our Only Profit You Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.